Great mother, I'm trying. Like it could be any second, bro. I'm serious as hell. Y'all, it's getting ready to happen. It's getting ready to happen. Just as good as I'm sitting here talking to y'all, I'm hoping for my own kids, y'all. I got kids in Florida right now, bro. Right now. Won't leave, bro. I'm just like, hey, I done released it, bro. I can't. You understand? The shit be heavy on my heart, bro, because it's like you could talk and talk 1,000 times. You could tell people what you could see 1,000 times. It don't matter, bro. People got their mind made up and their path is their own. You understand what I'm saying?